Good morning. My name is Shruti Saunke and I am from Zeal College of Engineering and Research, Pune. Me with my teammates Sanskriti Shinde, Archer Singh and Snehal Vadekar. We all made a small project named Python-based GUI calculator. We are from FE and IT department. This project basically comes under PBL activity of Zeal College of Engineering and Research, Pune. We had our guide teacher named Mrs. Tejaswini Bhosle and she helped throughout all this in this. As we know, the technology has revolutionized our world and daily life. Development in IT has made educational process productive and efficient. We are now going on better heights by jumping from electronic devices to program-based. So we made an effort to help mankind by creating simple GUI calculator. We used Python tkinter module which helps basic arithmetic problems such as addition, multiplication, subtraction and division. So here's our code for graphical calculator by Python tkinter. And if I run this code, we get a Python calculator. And if I enter an expression over here, for example, 5 plus 3 is equal to, we get the accurate answer.